Accident, the thing which I liked most was everything is about self-belief.
Yes.
If you do not believe in yourself, nothing is going to happen, nothing is going to change.
Right.
And what I like, other thing was, means I do not need so many things which I was thinking I needed. Like you said, write 20 things.
Right.
So I need just small things, and means I never realized that. And the only suggestion I have is, means it's my personal view,
Sure, sure.
that quantum physics part we can take less time on that. We
Okay.
took, I think, too much time on that.
But that is the most important concept by which it will happen.
Yeah, that is important.
Yes. The whole thing is built around it.
That is my suggestion. I'm not talking about others.
Yes. Because I said you in that session you didn't sleep, thank you very much. But that session is the cornerstone. But I'll definitely keep in mind, I'll try to make it more easy. Next time, there's always a scope for improvement, definitely. Yes, sir.
So I'm very fortunate to have encountered like you. It was more than my expectations, and one can understand the value of money. And it is not only the money actually, the overall health, wealth,
Right.
and how to organize each and everything in our life. And so it's really amazing.
Thank you very much.
No comments.
Right.
Commendable.
Thank you very much. Just the left.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent. Absolutely. Because this topic I am already aware,
Okay.
and there are a lot of aspects which it is like encompassing everything in as far as this topic is concerned. Like for example, it is you are not only rich and think and grow rich and all that is covered, but basically it opens out the ability of our thinking process and the way we behave, which reaffirms our beliefs about the money and how to improve that. In fact, I would suggest that you change the name of this course to Awakening the Giant Within.
That is by Anthony Robbins.
Oh, that is a book. Sorry.
I love copyright violation.
Okay, we will have copyright violation. True.
When I find something, the name that we were talking about is a
And
transformation workshop.
two suggestions here, sir.
Yes.
As far as the quantum physics is concerned, I enjoyed it myself. But with thoda time period, I would suggest you reduce it.
Definitely. What I'm going to do now is, I'll definitely keep this in mind. It's the first one you. From next time it's going to become a 2-day workshop. 1 day is very less. 1 day is very less. It's a very heavy concept. Yes.
Second, the meditation schedule. I would like every meditation which you have told here, a sort of a different kind of schedule where you can send the emails that do this, or you can actually take that meditation with us which you already told.
I'll do that.
Because that is very important. That is the key. Practically, okay, you can do that. But something which has to change, this meditation works wonders. That's for sure. That's for sure.
Is this a need for everybody?
Yeah.
Regularly? You would like to do this meditation once a month?
Yeah,
You don't have to
because,
travel anywhere.
because
we can do
after
it.
the workshop, people tend to get into their own
Yes.
patterns and habits again and again.
So before this workshop,
Yeah.
when I used to hear someone from about meditation, I did not believe in that. Nothing is going to happen.
Yes.
Today, when you said, imagine the light, everything, means all the whole day, any thought is means throughout the day, thoughts are coming. Means that was after a long time. I felt very relaxed. That is very important in life.
What I will do is, I'll do 2-3 things. Number one of the guided meditations I will say and I will put it on my website itself. That's an easy way. So that whenever you want to do that meditation, you can just go to the website, put it on. We are in the world of technology, and you can do that guided meditation. I'll be there. I'll speak my words there. Other is, once a month we will have a transformation session where we can have this guided meditation. Those who have attended the workshop would be more than welcome to come and attend the session. So We'll do that.
That will be in website or?
No, it will be through a webinar. I do webinars.
Can I say something?
Yes, sure, please.
For meditation purpose, let them go to Igatpuri for 10 days.
Everybody is, that's a personal choice. I cannot say that. That is somebody's
You
personal.
can go.
Okay, there is one person who is remaining. Yes, Jayanti, how did you like it? How did you feel about the workshop? You were there for the whole day.
It was good and excellent, and I get a confidence that I can also become a rich.
Very good.
And that's it.
Fantastic, fantastic. Please have a seat.
So just one,
Yes.
the topic and the subject which you have touched is the thing which should be known to entire India. I feel that it should be known to my family member also, but I feel that this entire session was in the English language. If this can be done in Hindi or say Marathi, local language, so that it can go to all the members of our family members, because English is the thing not which everybody can understand it. So if you can do it some local language, Hindi or Marathi.
Hindi I can do, my base language
Yeah,
is Hindi.
I would request you if you can arrange that so that more people can be attached to this session.
Yes. I need 20 people minimum, give me 20 people, I will do Hindi. Plain and simple. That is there. It's like this, I am very passionate about this. I really want people to be, I believe this is an important subject that need to go to people. And especially after I see people into the grip of the Babas and all those people, it's a pity. People spend lakhs of rupees into different kind of things while they don't have to actually. So you can do that, and I'll be more than happy to do it in Hindi. Dhamishta, make a note of this. We need to do one in Hindi also. So maybe I'll do a one day in Hindi, similar to this.
And more important thing, everybody was saying that quantum theory has been very this thing, but it is a scientific thing.
Yes.
That scientific aspect should not be diluted in any way.
Yes.
It's a core and heart of
Yes.
these things.
Yeah, exactly.
So I would say that elaborate it more. As you rightly said that yes, this is the subject which cannot be covered in one day. Yes, you're right. It should be either one day or
The workshop,
more time.
workshop that we are having in September first week we'll have this workshop again, and that would be a 2-day workshop that is there. So if you want somebody to attend that, you can tell that.
Can we also come for the
Yes.
workshop again?
Those who come, anybody wants to come again, more than welcome. And I'll even do one special. I don't know if my wife will kill me later on. You know, anybody who comes into the repeat meditation, repeat course, the 2-day course, whatever is the price for that, we decide. You guys who have attended this workshop has to be only 50%. That would be good enough. Whatever price we do. That is, we have not decided that yet. Whatever price we decide upon, you know, any repeat in the same course, not another course, any repeat in the same course for a person, this is a policy not from now, this is a policy in Pathfinders for last 2-3 years, anybody who has attended my workshops before also, we have a 50% off policy on people who repeat the same workshop. If you do any new workshop, then you have to pay for it fully. But those of you who repeat, whatever would be the price of that workshop, if you want to do it again, you know, you have to pay 50% off that. It will be somewhere in the range of about 8,000 rupees. That's what, you know, this was 3,500. It was more of a cost to cost thing. Next time we are having it as a 2-day workshop. And now you guys are, thank you very much for trusting me the first time. You're the most important group. One thing I know is that you never forget the people who come to you for a specific thing for the first time. Second time is second time. Third time is third time. It is the first time. Second time there might be 100 people sitting here. It might be another place. But you are those 15 people who came and said, let me listen to you, Vishwa. What he has to say. Sorry?
First love is your first.
Yes, your first love is your first love. And you guys are my first love. You know, this is what happens. So, we are starting a journey towards something bigger. And this is an awareness that you can spread around you. And those of you who are interested in associating yourself with Pathfinders, we even have a franchisee model available. You can talk to Dhamishta for anything on this, and it's a very fair model that we have developed. The whole aim is to pass it on to the society that is moving on. A fair profit to everybody, fair to me, fair to you, fair to Always forget the value that you have to create in their life has to be much more than what you get paid for. Those who are interested, talk to the Mishta, she can give you the details of the franchising model. The more people who associate with us, the faster we can grow on this one. And there are a lot of areas that I need to touch on, but this is one workshop. This was one day fun thing I have done to find out and test the concepts, and thank you very much. I'm really thankful to you who said it was good, but I'm even more thankful to you who pointed out what needs to be improved. That is the only way I can make it better. And it was very, very nice of you to come and attach yourself. And this is a journey in which we have just started. It is not ending here, it is starting here. Thank you very much for coming here. And we will now have a group photograph. I normally take a group photograph of the group. Jayanti, can we arrange on the backside to have a group photograph? Any questions you can ask me?
It's not a question.
Yes.
See, you said you will not be able to eat it.
Yes.
I have a suggestion. Can you not take it in the form of a DVD and then give it to us
I
for a
will,
price?
I will do one more thing. This whole session has been recorded. I'll just burn a DVD and sell it. That will be fine.
Yes,
Okay. Do that. That will be done. This is a lot of things that is happening. You will be associating with me for a lot of other things here. So, whatever this material is, don't worry, if something is missing, I'll make a short summary of it and mail it to you. But this is a work in progress. This workshop is a work in progress. This one day that you have attended is something that, there's much more going to come. Now I'm encouraged to incorporate a lot of other, I was very skeptic, in the start, whether people would be able to digest this scientific data. And I was hoping the half will slip. Only 2 slipped. They're only for 2 minutes, that's great of you. So, what we will do is, we will take it. Don't worry. Whatever needs to be given, will be given.